Okay, got this hood here. On where the hood attaches, there's weld nuts on the back on the inside on here, and one of these is broke. Let's go over here and look down in there. You can see where that weld nut is, right? There, it's welded in. So that one's in place where it needs to be, and there's an access hole. Over on this side, it has broke, and you can kind of see where the metal's been peeled up, so a bolt and a nut can be put in there, like what I've done, in order to hold it in. So what I'm going to do to fix this is I'm going to kind of peel this back a little bit more, cut that out a little bit bigger so I can get my welder in there. And then I have this bolt and nut tightened down. I'll come in and tack weld that nut in a couple spots, and that'll fix it. And when I cut this open, I'll try to make it look kind of factory-ish, just a little bit bigger, and have the nice radius in there so it's not all, you know, mangled looking like it is right there.